You talking on the phone, Garrett?
Keep talking, Amanda. We're recording. Keep talking, we're recording.
What are you doing?
Keep talking to him.
Say, hey, Amanda.
What are they doing to you? Are they putting clothes on you? Yeah, you should get the runaround naked if you want to.
Just let him hold it for a second. That's what I did last night. Let him hold it for a second. Just make sure he doesn't touch
All right, keep talking, Amanda.
What are you doing? What kind of cake do you want? That's on blue? Yeah, blue makes your face pop up.
Don't hang up on her.
Good on Dad.
He said let go. Are you still there? Stop. I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry.
Let him hold it, Daddy.
Okay, here you go. Here you go.
Tell it, Amanda.
Hitting the buttons.
Tell her. Tell on Daddy.
Did Dad try to take the phone away from you?
Tell on your daddy.
Is that why you got mad?
Tell her.
Yeah. You need to quit trying to take Oh, see, I'm your favorite aunt. That's all I want. Yeah.
Tell her what kind of cake you want, buddy. Tell her what kind of cake you want. You want a cake with Tigger on it? Oh. He just punched me in the face. Am I too close to your conversation? You still there?
Maybe he turned it down.
You still there? You hung up on her. Alright, that's good.